How to fix Venmo auto transfer to bank not working. So to fix a Venmo auto transfer or standard or instant transfer to your bank that is not working, the first thing what you can do is verify your bank info. Just check your routing and account numbers, remove your bank account and link it again if there is any mismatch in your name or billing address. Now the next what you can do is complete identity verification. Provide your government ID if Venmo has placed a hold or requires confirmation of your identity. Now the next what you can do is go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, find the Venmo app, and if there is an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version of Venmo app. Now the next what you can do is go to the existing Venmo app on your device, tap and hold on it, then tap remove app. Now to confirm, tap delete app. Once you delete the app, go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, find the Venmo app and re-download it again. Now the next what you can do is look for active security breaches, flags or automated internal safety reviews on your account. Now if auto transfer fails, manually transfer your balance by tapping manage or transfer under your wallet balance. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.